Welcome back. Goans are proving their mettle in the chess on a consistent basis. This time Anurag Mahamal has made the state proud with his fantastic performance in Kolkata. On Wednesday, Anurag returned home after becoming the first Goan to qualify for the National A Chess Championship.
The 14-year-old boy arrived at Margao railway station in the afternoon to a warm welcome from Chess Association officials and SAG coach Sanjay Kaulekar. Anurag's historic achievement in the National B Chess Tournament in Kolkata saw him display his immense talent on a big stage. The Santa Cruz-based lad had won the state championship in July at Margao and set his sights on doing well at the national level. Anurag said that he played with great determination in Kolkata.
I didn't expect it to qualify for the National A as it's a big tournament, but I played with my full determination and that helped me to qualify. It was a bit difficult as I didn't expect to qualify after drawing the last game, but it happened and I'm feeling really nice.
Anurag's father and secretary of Goa State Chess Association, Arvind Mamal, was happy with his son's achievement.
So from 2006 he has not taken coaching from anybody. He is practicing on his own. That is the big thing what he has achieved now. Because he has done on his own. If he wants to play in National A and get IM norm, then he has to get a coaching, better facilities because he has to play among GMs there. Next year he will have a little problem because he is 10th, now he is in 9th. Somehow he manages.
President of State Chess Association, Ashish Keni, said Anurag's rating will get a boost with this achievement.
Anurag Mamal, whose rating was, FIDE rating was 2175, had to play against almost around 7 IMs and who were rated, some of them were with 2400 rating, which is a very big difference in rating. But his performance was around 2375, which is a rating performance for this tournament, and he will gain around 50 points. And this thing, this achievement will definitely inspire many more young players from Goa, because he has shown that we can do it, and definitely many more young players will come forward and they will go and qualify into the National A, which is a stepping stone for becoming an international master and a grandmaster.
Our reporter from Margao, Ramesh Naik Raut.
The Goa Football Association's Pro League is still stuck in the legal cobwebs after Velsao Palle Sports Club moved to court to protest against their relegation from the professional league. The final verdict may possibly come out on Thursday.
The GFA recently launched its Pro League campaign with Kingfisher as the title sponsors. The GFA was confident they will go ahead with the league as scheduled from 29th August. The matches for the first 2 rounds have been fixtured. Speculation amongst the sports fraternity suggests that the GFA has a very strong case and could possibly get the verdict in its favor. However, the matter when it came for hearing on Wednesday, it appeared that the arguments made were even from either sides. Since the matter is sub judice, no representatives from either parties could come up for a statement. Raya Sporting Club representative Advocate Fraser Ribello is expected to put his side of grievances on Thursday. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
India and Dempo Sports Club star Climax Lawrence has bagged the second Dilip Sardesai Sports Excellence Award for 2008-2009. The Rs 2 lakh award will be presented on the National Sports Day on August 29th in a glittering ceremony at Margao.
The 30-year-old central midfielder has played a very important role for Goa's I-League powerhouse Dempo Sports Club and also the state and national team on a regular basis. Climax now becomes the second Dempo star to achieve the prestigious award that was instituted last year. Defender Mahesh Gauri had won the award last year. Margao-based Climax Lawrence topped the list of probable candidates this year due to his gold medal winning performance with India's side that won the AFC Challenge Cup in Hyderabad. He is an asset for the India team and is currently doing duty for Bob Houghton's side at the Nehru Cup in Delhi. It is unlikely that Climax could collect the award on Saturday, which will be presented by Chief Minister Digambar Kamath in presence of late cricketer Sardesai's wife Nandini Sardesai and son CNN IBN Editor-in-Chief Rajdeep Sardesai. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Ganpati Bappa Moria. This festival is one of the favorite festivals for everyone. This festival takes us through a ride of almost everything: environment, tradition, devotion, art and culture. You enjoy this and I take your leave. Goodbye, take care and keep watching Prudent Media.
जय मंगल मूर्ति हो श्री मंगल मूर्ति, दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति। जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति हो श्री मंगल मूर्ति, दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति। जय देव जय देव। सिंदूर लाल चढ़ायो अपने ही मन का, सुंदर लाल विराज सुत गौरी शिव का। हाथ में है गुड़ लड्डू प्रभु गजानन के, महिमा कहूँ तो कैसे झुकाऊं सिर पद में। जय देव जय देव। गणेशा तेरा रूप निराला, कोटि सूर्य का है तुझ में उजाला। लंबोदर पीतांबर तेरा क्या कहना, सरल सुंड वक्र तुंड त्रिनयना। जय देव जय देव। सिंदूर रंजित हर रंग सुंदर, मोतियन का माला चमके गले पर। हर गुण संपन्न हो गौरी नंदन, तुझको भाए कुमकुम केसर चंदन। जय देव।